Hi lovelies, welcome once again to OA Styles. Hope you guys are doing good. Today guys, I brought this lovely hairstyle. Please make sure to watch the full tutorial for better understanding. If you are new on this channel, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so anytime I upload you'll be notified. As usual, all you need to do is comb your hair, pack your hair up, apply your gel, then you tie. You can use rubber band if you want. You can also use thread if you want. We'll be making use of kinky extension in this tutorial. You can use as much as you want depending on how big you want your ponytail to be like. So you can use as many as you want. You can use 5, 4, 3 depending on how big you want it to be.